Our FDA team today have come to the Mapusa Interstate Bus Station, and these checks were commenced almost a year ago. We have been coming here regularly and checking. Primarily this bus stop is a very important bus stop for the entire state because all the buses that come from the north side, that is from Maharashtra, come here first. So any article that enters into the state, this is the place where it is offloaded, or this is the place where everything passes through. And today when we have seen that most of the vendors which were checked earlier, they have started following the specified norms. These articles have been coming with proper cold chain, with proper labels, something that we used to not see earlier. We have detained these products and we have issued instructions to these suppliers who have got these products into our state. And there are some chocolates as well, as you see, they are expired. So that also has been detained. Close to around 50,000 to 60,000 rupees worth product has been detained. हे जे आयिल्ले आसा ते प्रायमरीली फ्रॉम महाराष्ट्र आणि कर्नाटका, पण मेनली हो महाराष्ट्रासान स्टॉक येता.
चेक करपाक म्हणल्यार ते चेक करून ते धाडटा न्हू, कंपनी आनी कंपनी पळयता.
तुम्ही खंय सप्लाय करता?
सप्लाय म्हणून करिना, डिलिव्हरी डिलिव्हरी तितून भितर कितें आसा, कितली क्वॉन्टिटी आसा ती आमकां काय मेळटली.
ओके, मग त्याचे बिल सगळे
बील ते धाडटा, ते थंयसर टॅली करता आनी मागीर ते तेंचे पेमेंट करता.